One of the issues of Japanese home cooking in America is lack of ingredients. Luckily, there are Japanese market and Asian grocery stores 20 minutes away from my house by driving, so mostly I can get what I want for my cooking. However, in terms of fish, it's different. Since Japan is surrounded by the sea, Japanese people eat a lot of variety of fresh fish. Here in America, I see mostly salmon, saltfish, and cod in American markets and mackerel at Asian markets. That's almost it. Asian markets provide other fish, but most of them are not familiar with me. Today I wanted to cook Aji-fry, deep-fried horse mackerel, which is popular Japanese food. But I couldn't get it, so I decided to cook mackerel deep fry with my air fryer instead. It turned out great. I hope you like it. I put the recipe and the ingredients in the end of the movie for your later use. Don't forget to subscribe my channel not to miss any Japanese home cooking in America. Alright, let's get started. At first, get mackerel fillets or fillet the fish into 3 pieces by yourself. To be honest, I have never experienced to fillet the fish into 3 pieces by myself until I came to America. Because in Japan you can get fillets easily at the store. Of course you can get fillets at the store here in America. In that case, sometimes you have to ask them to do it. But people are busy at the store, so sometimes or mostly I get the whole fish and then I cut the fish by myself. Then cut the fillet in half to remove bones. Remove all bones including small ones from the fish. Make sure no bones are left using your eyes and fingers. Sometimes you can touch the fish and you can feel it, and then you can remove the bones from the fish. Prepare a tray for each cracked egg, flour, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat each fillet in flour and shake off excess. Then dredge in egg. And coat with panko. This is a surprise to me. You can get panko breadcrumbs at not only Asian markets but also American markets. You can even get gluten-free panko breadcrumbs. Preheat air fryer to 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Sprinkle olive oil over the surface to make panko coating crispy. Air fry at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes until the surface of the fish is burned. Put some tonkatsu sauce over the fries while it's hot. いただきます。Because of the olive oil you sprinkle over the fish, the outside of fish is very crunchy, and fish itself is juicy. This tonkatsu sauce is sweet and it's good with this fried fish. Thank you for watching my video. This is the end of the movie. Finally, I put the recipe and ingredients here. And ingredients here. Again, thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またねー。